Hi, welcome to High Protein Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making fried cabbage and sausage. If we haven't met yet, my name is Joanne. I'm on a weight loss journey and I focus on high protein, low carb meals to lose weight in my weight loss journey. And if this is something you're interested in, let's get started on this dish. These are the following ingredients that we will be using: cabbage, hot Italian chicken sausage or any sausage that you would like, garlic, coconut oil, white pepper, sea salt, and onion powder. This is how the fried cabbage and sausage turned out. Got the cabbage, the hot sausage. Let's give it a taste. I got a spoon here because I don't want anything to fall off. Got some sausage, some cabbage. Mmm. It is delicious. You got this cabbage. You can cook it however you like. I like mine with a little bite to it. It's not mushy. It has a nice heat to it. It is delicious. So give this a try. For the ladies, I have a free healthy habit guide below. Grab it and enjoy.